Welcome to clickmyproject.com. The project title is Unsupervised Visual Hashing with Semantic Assistant for Content-Based Image Retrieval. The project abstract is we propose a novel unsupervised visual hashing approach called Semantic Assisted Visual Hashing, that is SAVH. It can be semi-supervised and supervised visual hashing. Its core idea is to effectively extract the rich semantics latently embedded in auxiliary sticks of image to boost the effectiveness of visual hashing without any explicit semantic labels. To achieve the target, a unfed supervised framework is developed to learn hash code by simultaneously preserving visual similarity of images. The project flow diagram is to retrieve the image by using an visual hashing code. So initially we are going to collect the dataset about our process. So in that datasets we are going to choose any one of the image. That image going to our query image. After getting our query image, we are going to extract the features. So in that feature extraction we are going to similarity of our images. So we have to divide the feature extraction. After feature extraction we are going to classify the SVM for decision tree. It can be to form a tree based on color, shape and size. So according to that process we have to classify the separate images for each and every one. Then next we have to apply the KNN. In that KNN to perform in SVM also. In KNN means nearest neighbor, so it can be calculated on nearby pixel values. It is also to make the feature matrix. It is math file to create it. So next we have to get the relevant index of each and every image about our input of query image. It is going to analyze the image of database. In that database about our query image to based on shape, color and size, it going to analysis. So after getting analysis they will getting the confusion matrix and then retrieve the our relevant images. The project source code file was run from command window. In current folder shows our source code files. In that so many files are there. Our main contribution of content based image retrieval, so it can be represented as cbires.m. so it is our source code file. In cbires fig it means figure, so it is going to make the guide design. So we are going to implement our process. So now we have to run the cbir.m. After run our process, the design will be open. So initially we are going to load the datasets. So in datasets 1 it is already we have to load our input image. So it is going to loaded. So the datasets loaded successfully. So give the OK. So next we have to browse the image. In this image there are so many images are there. So we are going to give the any one of the image. For example, I will give us image. In this it is our query image. So next we have to find the similarity matrix of our image. So the proceed with the query by executing the green button. So after giving the similarity matrix and number of images returned, so we will give the query button. So the similarity matrix when I am give the L2, then number of images, then how many images can be retrieved for us. I will give the number as 10. So 10 image I need. So next I will give the query. In that query, according to that process, the size, the color and shape to retrieve our images. So in that images based our input query images as a flower. So regarding that flower we have to retrieve the our result. So finally we are going to classify the results. So in our process we are using the SVM. So in SVM means support vector mission. So finally we will give the SVM. So in that SVM finally we are retrieve relevant image of our query image. So it is the relevant image of our query image. It is based on color, shape and size. So then finally we are getting the confusion matrix. So it is going to perform the F measure, recall, precision, accuracy. It can be calculated as this. So finally we are going to getting the accuracy as 86.40%. Then confusion matrix value also shown. Our predicted query image belong to class as 1. So in that 1 to 99 images class 1 and 100 to 199 as class 2. So like that image will be divided. So finally we are getting our accuracy of our query image and retrieve of our image. It is the content based image retrieval of our overall concept. So the project demo was completed. Thanks for watching this video.